Hello, today I will show you how to WordPress install in your website with cPanel. Also, I am using the softcolor software in cPanel. So let's start. I will show you step by step. First of all, it is my main domain. There is no website. So let's start. So you are looking for the software. Alright, this is the software section. So you need to click on the WordPress manager by soft colors, and then you click here. Alright, after click this managed by WordPress, then WordPress manager, then you can see this type of interface. So I need to click on the install, then click the install. Then you will see this same interface. Then you can select the protocol. We have no HTTPS, I mean no SSL. Then I will just select on this one and select the domain. You can install main domain. Also you can use the subdirectory, or just use the subdirectory. Okay, if you want to direct install, then you can no need any text here. This is the subdirectory folder name. If you want to use the lower version WordPress, then you can choose from here. Website title and username and password, you can put everything here. Okay, alright. Then you can manage theme and plugin from here. So we will no longer touch video, just show to you. Okay, then you can put the email. Okay, alright. Then select the install. Then you need to wait few minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. I hope it will done within 4 minutes. Yeah, it's done. Alright, this is the previous URL, this is the new URL. So WordPress install done, successfully done. So thank you for the watching. I will show you next video how to manage this WordPress website, and I will show you how to log in WordPress with cPanel. So stay with me. Thank you for the watching.